pick up my powder. And like it like just about a hair away from your cuticles. And then you can just gently smooth it up. So I'm using just the body of the brush and to guide the powder towards the center of the nail so it keeps nice shape. Also is build the structure of the nails. Use the body of the brush and you're gonna just kind of cut, or however you want to say is to cut the excess powder off.
Everyone's up this late.
Yeah, me too. I'm up too, me and Mika. I said, oh. And this doesn't take so much time, like from doing it really simple, cute nails. So I'm gonna pick it up and wipe up my brush and dip in the monomers. And pick up my powders again. Get it close to the cuticles, but it's not like just a hair away from my cuticle. You know what, if it's our central time, it probably is what time is this now? It's everybody time.
Well, we're getting close to midnight now.
1:46.
So 1 Eastern or should be what? 9 or 10. Probably in Pacific.
I see. Hello everyone.
There you go.
I come a little bit far away from what I can do.
You want to bring it closer.
Can you
Move camera
bring
with
it
you.
a little closer?
Yep, so bring your nails wherever you like. And move camera to match.
So I'm guiding it in the
That's better?
center. Yeah, I
Okay.
think it's better. And then I think I just need just a little bit of the powder. Pat it right on the tip. And go it. Hey Whitney. Hi Maria. Hey Vicky. How are you? Vicky's 1 o'clock on Vicky, huh?
Sarah's there too.
Oh, hi Sarah. I didn't see Sarah on Facebook or Instagram.
Nothing about.
Oh, hey ladies.
Nuna says she's tired.
Who?
Nuna.
Oh, Nuna, you tired? And you still up late with us. Thank you.
Oh, let's be your lullaby then. She works for a bit. Whenever you sleep, go ahead.
What brush are you using?
Huh?
They asked which brush are you using?
The brushes is
14 is it?
the 12, number 12.
Okay. Is it a small one?
I don't even like And the brand, let me show you. I got it from my local distributor at Nails Company. One of the awesome distributor. If you need anything else, or even like if you're local, if you're local, you're shopping, you want to get the Glitz product, they have it as well. But this is like one of the brush they have in there. So number 12, I go back and forth between number 12 and 14.
Jose said Nancy doesn't sleep.
Who said Nancy doesn't sleep? Nuna? Who's that?
Let's see. Vicky. And, well, she was...
It's a little bit missing here, which is totally normal. Sometimes if I don't see it, but it's okay. I will patch just a little bit. Not a big deal. And if you're beginners, like, you know, don't afraid of to do, like if you miss it here and there, it's just totally normal. It doesn't like have to be perfect right at first time. And if you're doing it more than one beat, it's totally great and fine. All right, so 3 of them. I saved 3 of them for you ladies. And this is number 14B from Chizo Nail Art.